Some apps and services can access more information than you might expect if your privacy settings aren't configured properly. In this video, I'll show you 3 Android settings worth checking to help reduce unnecessary access to your phone number and contacts, giving you more control over your privacy. First, open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap Google. Next, tap All Services near the top of the screen. Scroll down until you find phone number sharing. If this option is available on your device, tap it. Review this setting carefully. If you don't want participating apps and services to use your phone number through this feature, turn it off. This gives you more control over when your phone number is shared. Next, open Google Chrome. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Addresses and More. If Save and Fill Addresses is turned on, Chrome can automatically fill saved address information into supported websites. If you prefer entering this information manually instead of storing it in your browser, simply turn this setting off. This won't stop websites from collecting information you choose to enter, but it does prevent Chrome from automatically filling saved address details. Now, let's check which apps can access sensitive information on your phone. Go back to the Settings app. At the top, tap the search bar. Type Permission Manager. Then open it. Inside Permission Manager, tap Contacts. You'll now see every app that can access your contacts. Take a moment to review the list. If you find an app that doesn't need access to your contacts, tap the app. Then select Don't Allow. For example, messaging and phone apps usually need contact access. But if another app has access without a clear reason, you may want to remove that permission. Go back and repeat the same process for phone and call logs. Only allow these permissions for apps that genuinely need them. If an app stops working correctly after removing a permission, Android will usually ask you to grant it again the next time the app needs it. If this video helped you make your Android phone more private and secure, consider subscribing. I regularly share simple Android tips, privacy settings, and tech tutorials that help you stay in control of your devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.